Hey everyone, this is Carla Jenkins, and in this video I'm going to talk about my 2022 certification list. So if you've been on my website carlarjenkins.com, you would know that in 2021 I completed 8 professional certifications, which is like one every 45 days. Of those 8, 3 of them were Azure Associate certifications, which is cloud computing. And I wanted to do this video just to go through like what I have for 2022, because I feel in this year I will be going beyond just associate into expert level cloud computing and IT certifications. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first one is the Facebook Digital Marketing Associate, and I got this through Facebook Elevate, now Meta Elevate Scholarship for Black Content Creators. My goal is to complete it the first week of January. I have learned a lot about Facebook Ads Manager, as well as learning that other places such as Amazon have their own advertising certifications too. So I learned more about the social media ad space, which is very helpful in how I post and present on both Facebook and Instagram. I'll keep everybody posted about my results, and I have been talking about the Meta Elevate program very recently. So check me out on Facebook, which is facebook.com/Carla Jenkins. So the second one, or number 2, is the SE300 IAM Administrator. That's the Microsoft Security Identity and Access Management Administrator. I got the exam voucher and the practice test through being at the Microsoft Certification Week for partners. So I discussed that in my AZ305, which is Azure Architect Expert Beta User Testing blog post. That really saved my bacon, I feel, in the beta test, because what they were putting on the learning path, as well as the exam prep that I was using to study for AZ305, really didn't cover. It was a lot of blind spots there. So doing that really helped. Also, another thing regarding the SE300 is something I always wanted to take, because one of my career things was being a cloud administrator. I'm already an Azure cloud administrator with AZ104, but SE300 would give me another line of being administrator, and that's something I want to go for. I really want to help people and do cloud, and being an administrator is very helpful to me, and that's something I always wanted to do. Now I'm afforded an opportunity. You're going to hear a lot of like programs, free vouchers, and scholarships throughout this video, which is very important, because that's how I'm being able to self-finance a lot of my upskilling and reskilling into IT cloud and project management. The number 3 is SE400. So I got a book review for this, but also I'm using my Microsoft Ignite certification to pass this. That's the Information Protection Administrator, and as I mentioned, for number 2, being a cloud administrator is one of the career field goals I want to accomplish. In addition to that, I like cybersecurity. So cybersecurity, especially pattern analysis and statistics, which I have a significant amount of experience in, it is for information security, governance, and learning all that. I have a very extensive background in that. So passing the SE400 for information protection will give me also my 3rd cloud administrator cert, which is something I really love doing, because it's like statistics based pattern analysis, and I'll keep everyone posted on that. The 4th one is CISSP. I'm filming this today, Wednesday, January 5th, 2022. And it's just official. I just got my scholarship check, and I just enrolled in my exam prep for CISSP, which is huge, because this is the IT version for me of the project management professional certification, which I already have. I want to consolidate my knowledge, and I feel I have the experience. As I mentioned earlier in this video about going from Azure Associate to expert, I do feel that I've accumulated the experience and the know-how and the knowledge to say I'm at the CISSP level. I could not say that when I started my cloud journey about 3 years ago, but I can say I have over the 5 years experience for CISSP. I've been doing the book, and it looks like I know a lot of those things, which is good. But I'm very happy to position myself to be CISSP for 2022. My goal is to make it the first half of this year. But yes, very big on IT. I've always been a techie, and so this is a great opportunity for me to be CISSP. Number 5 is Oracle Cloud Autonomous Database Specialist. So if you were on my website, you would know I use the Oracle Cloud free promotion, which as of this recording is still going on until February 28th, 2022 to recertify for my Foundations Associate. The autonomous database is like their machine learning. I want to have more than just one type of machine learning. Currently, I'm Azure Artificial Intelligence Engineer, and this would be my second one. And I see myself using the free promotion of getting that too. It's one thing to just have one tool knowledge, but to be multi-cloud in machine learning and artificial intelligence really enhances my competitive advantage in cloud computing. So that's number 5. Number 6 is my AWS machine learning specialty. I've been in the Amazon Web Services Community Builder Program since May 15th, 2021. It's been very interesting. I have received a lot of opportunity, and one of the opportunities is receiving a free exam voucher. And for me, it just has to be machine learning because I'm on the machine learning track, and I do feel for me that's a measure of success for the year 1 getting my machine learning specialty certification. And also that would make it, if I get it after Oracle, would be my 3rd machine learning and artificial intelligence certification. So I'll be multi-cloud of Azure, Oracle, and AWS in machine learning, which is great. Number 7 is AWS Solutions Architect Professional. This for me is a holdover from my Ohio Means Jobs Cuyahoga County training and voucher. I will say right now in 2022, I'm finally at the stage where I can say I'm a solutions architect professional. I've been doing this for over 3 years in cloud, specifically with AWS and Azure, and I really now know how to, provide solutions at different price points, know what the customer want and how to deliver it. And having sat for the Azure Architect Expert level and being able to tackle that, I do feel that I will be in a much better position to do AWS. And by the end of this year, I will be in the I would have 2. So I would have the AWS as well as the Azure Solutions Architect professional certifications, which are huge because I've always been never settling for the minimum. So, just doing the fundamentals isn't enough for me. I either want to do the associate or the expert, and that's a theme throughout 2022, making sure that I get to the expert level in a lot of these things. Number 8 is Terraform Associate. I was doing that in like September of 2021, but life and the AZ700, AZ305, and being in the Deloitte Salesforce Consulting Select program got in the way. However, I want to know more about cloud agnostic infrastructure as code. I already know AWS CloudFormation Azure resource management, but just to do cloud agnostic. That's something that would set me apart. Also, I will admit the first time I was doing it, I didn't understand the cloud agnostic part as much because I was so accustomed to the Azure and the AWS. I do think with more familiarity and more cloud knowledge underneath my belt and how multi-cloud works, I do feel that I would be back to better understanding of Terraform. Number 9 is the Google Cloud Digital Leader. Now, that's Google Cloud is the number 3 public cloud in the United States. And for this one, this is the fundamentals exam, like AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner and Azure Fundamentals and Oracle Foundations Associate is the equivalent. The reason why I'm sitting for this is because of number 10. Number 10 is the Google Cloud Associate Cloud Engineer. I got it approved into the GCP Jumpstart program, and I feel that passing the Google Cloud Digital Leader would prepare me to understand the infrastructure, the language, the cloud, how its products and services interact before I sit for the Google Cloud Associate Engineer. Why is that important? Even if you're getting stuff for free, I just feel it's essential to maximize and execute the first time. So having a familiarity and a success in Google Cloud Platform at the certification level also will let me know what the certification exam looks like, but more importantly, to capitalize upon the opportunity through Jumpstart. So number 9 is Google Cloud Digital Leader, and then number 10 is Google Cloud Associate Cloud Engineer. And like I've referenced in this video, a lot of the certifications I'm getting through free exam vouchers, scholarship, which is CISSP, and Facebook digital marketing, free promotions, this is Oracle, and now with Google Cloud program support because I'm in an actual program. So these are my 10 for 2022 certification list. Of course, I'm going to keep everybody posted on this in my progress. So, check me out at carlarjenkins.com. You can also check out my YouTube channel. I would like to thank everyone for watching this video, and I'll see everybody in the next video. Have a wonderful day.